Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2024 Case IH 400 AFS Connect Magnum tractor. I'm here in Judah, Wisconsin. This is one of two that we traded in, and really sharp looking tractors, a lot of warranty. Well, an extra year or the remaining year. I had to check into the warranty screen to confirm whatever extended warranties are available for it, but suffice it to say it's like a new one. Now, this one's got about 590 hours on it. The specs in the service log with the configuration, with the exception of this one did have an upgraded hydraulic pump. It's got a twin flow pump instead of just the high flow. The suspended axle, 710/42 duals, ballast package, 3-point, 540,000 PTO. It's got 2 pins. I assume this is one for a smaller category, and then this is the bigger category. I assume it's 4. 5 valves. Got a set of front weights on it. This is the unit number. But paint overall is real nice. This is the ones that we traded in. The guys, after 1 year, decided that these were too small and wanted quad tracks for the jobs that they were performing with it. And okay, so here we have them. And again, for a guy that, or somebody that wants these flotation tires and this kind of a setup, this is ideal. Here's the box for the PTOs. Of course, it's got the guidance. They should have had the, I'm pretty sure this one's 583, but well, it takes a few seconds for the 1200 to warm up. We can just run it through the system, through the paces. Powershift, as all 400s are, or 400 Magnums. Everything runs nice. It's eligible, of course, for all of the product upgrades. Factory warranty goes with the machine. Everything's real clean inside. Just again, if you're looking for a 400, and we're going to go look at the hours up here. There, 587.3 today. So again, 24 model, 587 hours. Read the specs. Come to Judah and you can buy the tractor. Judah, Wisconsin. Thank you. Appreciate you watching the video.